Good evening, friends. Nannakshi Swami here. Welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. I'm going to discuss the price action of today and how some traders they went in wrong direction. So that was the thing actually, but it was a trap actually. And apart from that, I want to say that something is wrong with the Srinivasa indicator calculations. I need to check with him why it is coming. But if I calculate manually from the closing price, this is the calculator which I have. I'd asked him to do an indicator. Something is wrong in the price, this thing. The previous day closing price was 23,519 and we are getting 23,500 for 26.61, 559 and 478 for 66.66 percentage, 23,621 to 23,416. So this indicator was plotting a little bit wrong. Actually, if I enable the indicator, so you know how to calculate the thing. See, if I enable this, so it is plotting very high. These values are very high. So that's why you need to manually calculate. I'll check with him to correct the indicator so that if he corrects in this code itself, script code, it may get rectified. So how to calculate, you know that. What you need to do, again, I am explaining it to you. You need to take the closing price of the previous day. What you need to do is, you need to take the square root. What you are going to do? You are, again, I'll explain with the calculator so that you will understand better. You should not ask me again and again. Don't have confusion. Listen to me carefully. The previous day close was 23,519. 23,519. So 5, it's not, let me, 23,519. So first step is we are finding the square root. After finding the square root, either we are first we are multiplying by 26.6 and another is we are multiplying by 66.1. This is 26.61 and 66.66. Okay, let me go to the calculator. So we have got this value, the square root of the closing price. We are multiplying by 26.61, which is equivalent to 30 degree of the 90 degree. That's why we are multiplying it. So when we multiply, we are getting one value. So what we are doing is, we are doing the percentage. I have clicked on the percentage. I am getting the percentage. When I add to the closing price, 23,519, I am getting one value, 23,559. The same value, 40 point something, 40.8 will be deducted from 23,519. See, you are getting here 559. And this is by, by subtracting, I'm getting this value 23,486. For finding out the 66.66, same procedure, we are going back. Let me show it to you again. Let me clear this. 23,519, first step is square root and I am multiplying by 66.6. Why I am multiplying? It is equivalent to 60 degree of the 90 degree. That's why we are multiplying. Okay. When we multiply, I am getting this value. I am taking the percentage 102. If I add to 23,519, I am getting this value 23,621. Okay. 23,621. You can see over here. You can make your own calculator like that. For time being, you do that. There is some disparity in the indicator. Indicator is showing some wrong things. Anyway, otherwise it will be a guideline for you. Okay. So I'm not enabling the Srinivas indicator. He has done some mistake in the calculations. I need to check with them. I'm unchecking this and I'm only allowing Keltner channel and Pi. Okay. Let me go to the 5 minute. See, we know the resistance over here. This is 90 degree. Above 60 degree is 90 degree. When we put a circle over here, you must understand, when we put a circle here or a protractor over here, it is facing resistance. It is 90 degree. When it comes to 26.6, that is 30 degree, it is resistance. Only if it had gone above 66.61, then it would have been positive. But you can ask me why Keltner channel. Keltner channel will act as a moving dynamic moving degrees so that it will guide you. That's why I'm using, because in between the levels you will not be able to make out. See, after facing the resistance, didn't I tell you you should wait? Actually, this was the mistake people have done. It started falling below this level and retest. This was the entry for you people in the PE. The people have done mistake by going long, because this is trend is down. See, when it gaps down, you shouldn't consider it as a red candle. How many times I have told you people that you should consider as a red candle? 1 minute. This is not reversal. Reversal will come only after 66.6 level has been crossed. So it started getting resistance around 26.61 resistance level, and market tried to come down. Let me take it to you to the P. I asked you people to put option and call option. So I'm putting the 23,400 put option. So it came down to, from 126, it came down to 50. That's what happens. The market makers will make you people to go in wrong direction. So it came down and it recovered around 10:15. It started its moving above. Even this indicator, there is a problem in the indicator. I'll check with Srinivas what is the problem, what are the calculations. But till then, you calculate manually. So today you go and do it homework and apply on your chart. So it started moving. When it started moving above this Keltner channel, and if you can also calculate from the previous day close. Previous day close was 49 or something. You could have calculated. And when it started moving above this Keltner channel, then it became positive. The direction was negative. You can see how the put option has gone. So if you would have entered around 91 rupees, keeping this as the stop loss, 76 or 78, or you would have, if you are very, I can go to the 1 minute chart and you can see for the fine tuning of the entry over here. If you could have entered here around this level, around 70, keeping this as stop loss, around 10 points stop loss, the gain is so much. First target you have got almost 155. So let me go to the call option, 23,400 call option. See the 23,400 call option. Okay. Let me remove this profile. Let me go to the 5 minutes chart. See, you can see it started moving higher. It got resisted in the same thing, same behavior. People might have gone. Suppose them, I don't know why people go against the trend. They don't see that because this is the normal behavior. It started moving down. Finally, it has closed around 30 rupees. It has come down to 30 rupees. They have sold it. From 200 rupees, 210 rupees, they have sold it. The call writers have made money like anything by selling this call option 210. So this is how the market behaved. So I wanted to show you how the market turned around for tomorrow. Let us analyze for tomorrow. Let me go to the daily chart. End of the day also it is showing 23,165. Let me remove all the drawings. Let us calculate the levels and mark the levels. See, in front of you I am marking the levels. You also people mark the levels on your chart. The closing is 23,165.7. I am going to feed this 23,165.7, and here I am entering 23,165.7. So if I enter here, I'm getting these values. So on the upper side, 23,206, and the support is around 23,125. Let us mark 23,125. Just I will start marking this, okay? 23,125. And then 23,206. Let me close this. 23,206. These are the 26.11 levels, 26.6 levels. That is corresponding to 30 degree. This is positive 30 degree and it is minus 30 degree. And if I come back to this, it is giving 23,064. So I'll go to the coordinate 23,064 and we'll make it blue color. This is 66.66 and then the higher level is 23,267. 23,267. I'll go to the coordinate 23,267. So I'm sharing this screen. 1 minute. I'm sharing this screen so that you can copy it. Copy these levels. Copy these levels on your chart so that you can copy these levels on your chart. Okay? Okay, traders. And I will be attaching this, trading view link in my description so that you can copy it. Okay, so let us go to 5-minute chart and let us see what has happened over here before the close. Suppose if the market now it is showing some sort of, it is in between these two levels, price as, so suppose if it starts opening above this 23,208, it can go up to 23,264. In case if it starts opening below, opening here, getting rejected, getting resistance, and then if it starts breaking below this level, you can anticipate for Nifty breaking below this 124. You can anticipate Nifty going to 23,064. So you need to know these are the levels. These are the 60-degree corresponding to. Suppose if I bring in the protractor, I will show you. I'll take the protractor from 1 minute. I am taking the protractor. Even the protractor or the people have given little bit disparity. I don't know. See, it happens. It happens. I should not blame anyone for that. It's not opening. It is taking time. Yeah. Let me copy this. I'm pasting this. So this is the degree. So you need to see if it goes above this, you can see over here, protractor. Let me, here you can see if it goes there, if it gets rejected, you can anticipate for the downward movement. For that, again, this is the closing price, and when the market opens, you need to select the call option and put option. We need to see where it is going to open. Suppose if it starts opening above this level and sticks there, it can travel up to 23,262. A reversal can come in the market. Suppose if it doesn't, if it resists and if it starts coming below this, the market can go up to this. This, if I bring the protractor here, I cannot make it ulta. So anyway, let it be. So you will understand better. This protractor is there, but it has got limitation. It will give only for this. That also I cannot share with you people as it is invite only protractor. You can apply another protractor is there. One of the group member, he has done that. Daily protractor. Oh, it will not allow me. Let me remove that. Let me remove this protractor. Daily protractor. Let me apply this. Let us see what it is doing. Yes, you can see this protractor. Actually, if I go there, anything small, label, thickness, style, labels only. It is radius showing 25 bars. It is calculated for lines. So line color, you make it black for the upper side, for the positive side. And so you can see here, if I apply the protractor, it is the 0 degrees here. Let me zoom it. On the 5-minute chart, 0 degrees here. So the price has to move. If it has to go above 0 degree for positive means, price has to travel above the 23,265. And this is all negative degrees. You can see we are in the negative territory. The 0 degree is 180 degrees here, and price is here. So these are the resistance, two resistance dotted lines. So let me hide this protractor. You can utilize that protractor. It is freely available. He has given it to the people, and it is open script. You can copy it and you can do that also. See, these are the levels, and when the market opens, select the call and put option at the money or out of the money. No, in the money, not out of the money, in the money and at the money call options and put option you need to select. So if we go to the daily time frame, you can see the position of this. There is support around 66, 23,064. Suppose if the market comes around here, it may take some support because this was the breakout level, breakout of the structure from the level. If I apply volume profile to this is value area high. So let us hope that market will not enter into it. There is a low volume node here around this area. If it takes support around 23,083 to 64, the market can turn around. And it is a correction in the up move. That is very much needed. So I will apply my fixed range volume profile here and I'll see. So this is the value area. Point of control is here even for this. And for the both the things, value area has increased. There is increase in the value area. That is a positive sign. It is a retest. So 66.65 comes around 22,921. This is the middle level where market can find some sort of support on an intraday basis, some sort of reversal you can see in the market tomorrow. So this is how I analyzed. You have to take the trade. If you would have patiently taken the trade, you would have made from 70 rupees 230 to 250 rupees on the put option. I don't know. You need to comment in the comment section how many people have made the money. Some people, they have gone wrong and they were celebrating by going, taking the call option. That trade was not correct. That trade was not correct. It was the correct towards the PE. So you should always wait and see the things. The price will not start like this. If the price has to start, see, suppose if the market starts like this, then it is a positive move. It is not the positive move. That's why it got resisted over here. So suppose tomorrow, in case after testing this level, lower level, 23,129, if it starts reversing and trades above this, a reversal will come in the market. And this is the value area corresponding to once it crosses the 23,287, market will become positive, and a reversal trade on Wednesday and Thursday you can anticipate for the reversal trade in the market. Okay friends, thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.